house a year on. It's tucked away in a sheltered corner by a wall between a bush and a tree. It's very lightweight, so if you're standing it in an open area and on concrete, the wind is just going to blow it over. The wood itself, I've just treated with wood varnish, so that's really helped protect it. And I just bought a can for £1 from Pound Stretcher. There we go. It's advertised as an easy, clean bird table. This is a side flap. When I assembled it, again, it's just a cheap bird table, so this never sat flush against the sides. And a year on, this little L-shaped, well, it looks like a bent nail actually, it's rusty and it's wedged and it just won't move. So because it was all a bit cheap, I used this carpet runner. I just cut it up and used on the base. The underneath of it has little spikes, so I just used the flat side. I have moved it a little while ago, and I did scrape away some of the debris that has filtered through the edges and basically self-seeded. But it does keep it. Just use some of this, and you can pick some up cheaply because it does protect most of the base. This is the best I can do with cleaning. It's just such a shame that this flap doesn't come down. I found that a lot of the holes didn't line up, so I did the best I could, and to get this on I had to use no nails. This screw here I actually had to bang in the end. And as you can see, the legs don't sit flush against the base, so I had to do the best I could. Again, nothing seemed to line up, but then it's cheaply made. There we go. And then for cleaning, you can just see how wide. It would be so beneficial if that flap came down. So there's not much space basically to get beneath. So these are the ground stakes. You've got 3 because you've got 3 legs, and it has kept it secure into the ground, but again you do need to keep it in a sheltered area because it's not strong and the wind will blow it over. Height, I'd probably say just under the 4 foot in height. It's more like reminds me of a child's bird table, to be honest, but it's cute. I like it. It costs £15 still. I probably wouldn't pay £15, more like 10, and it's a order online one unless you go to a bigger store. So then you've got postage as well. There we go. Gives you a rough idea.